Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Avast and going straight to Settings so you can change notifications now. Once the app is open, make sure you're signed in as an administrator. Without that, some controls stay locked. Pause any active scans or backups so notifications don't reappear while you change options. Then navigate to General Notifications to begin. I'm telling you this because modifying notification behavior during active tasks can be inconsistent, so pause first and proceed to the notification controls. Now you'll adjust exactly what Avast can inform you about. Once in notifications, toggle off categories you don't want, like promotions or tips, and leave essential security alerts enabled. If you need silence during full screen work, turn on Do Not Disturb and specify apps or games it applies to. You can also fine-tune update and firewall alerts individually. Doing that prevents missing critical warnings while removing repetitive marketing pop-ups. Make changes deliberately so you preserve vital protection messages. Finish by saving settings and restarting Avast to ensure the new notification state takes effect. Once restarted, test by triggering a benign update or using a full-screen app to confirm Do Not Disturb works. If notifications persist, check Windows Action Center and app notification permissions. Sometimes Windows overrides Avast. As a last resort, export your preferences, then reset or reinstall Avast. That clears corrupted configs. If you reinstall, restore your backup so you don't lose careful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.